Hi, Becky Henry with another topic from the Hug Toolkits, providing hope, understanding, and guidance for caregivers of those with eating disorders. Today, the topic is validation. It's important to learn how to validate our loved one's experience, even if it's on a topic that we don't agree on or a perspective we don't agree with. It's important to say we understand where they are and that it must be difficult to be experiencing what they're experiencing. We need to rescue them. It's important because we want to fix it so badly. And when we fix it for them, we take away their power. And I know that seems counterintuitive. I'll go into this in more depth on the 10-minute version of the video in the Hug Toolkits. For now, please practice self-care, and you can find more on my website at beckyhenry.com, and you can subscribe here on YouTube. Take care.